In this video, we're going to build a custom office PC. Now, this is going to be a custom build from a customer of ours that submitted this on our website. If you guys also want a custom PC, make sure to head over to our website, link down in the description below. Fill out the form if you guys are interested in having a custom Tronics PC. So as always, I'm going to go do a rundown of all the parts. The customer for this PC wanted something decently high performance. He's mostly going to be using it for office work, but also wanted to do a little bit of Photoshop on the side. So he wanted something pretty high performance, but for a pretty decent budget. And he didn't want it to be too blinged out. He pretty much wanted it to be just a very basic looking PC. So everything here after the build fee and everything came out to around $600. So not too bad. Pretty good budget for an office PC compared to what you can buy at Best Buy or something like that. So we are going with an MSI B450 Tomahawks Max. This is an AM4 socket. Very nice motherboard, high quality. Got nice VRM cooling on there. Stuff like that. The CPU I went with is an AMD Ryzen 5 5600G. These things are a great bang for your buck. Lots of performance for a really, really good price. As far as storage goes, I went with a 1 terabyte silicone power NVMe SSD. We've got a 2x8 kit, so 16 gigabytes of 3200 megahertz DDR4 from Silicone Power as well. We have a 5-pack of Arctic fans that we're going to be installing in the case. We've got a CD drive as well. This is one of the things that he requested to be installed in his system. We've got a 500 watt EVGA power supply here, 80 plus bronze. Not sure what happened to the packaging, but it's brand new from EVGA's website, so went with that because we got a good deal on it. And for the case, I went with a Cougar MX330X gaming mid-tower case. This is a nice case. It doesn't have a clear side panel, looks very basic, and will be very nice for this build. So with that out of the way, let's get to building.